Hello guys, good evening. I hope you all are doing really fine. Well, I'm doing really fine as well. So today in this video we are going to learn how do we invite our friends on Clubhouse. So unlike other app, we can't easily log into Clubhouse or sign up to Clubhouse. We have to get invited by other person who is already into Clubhouse, then only we get access to Clubhouse. So to know how do we invite our friends on Clubhouse, just open your Clubhouse app. After opening to your Clubhouse app, you can see at the top here the message option. Just click on that and type the number of the person or friend you are going to invite. And here is the sign called invite. Just tap on invite through messenger or message just once. Now the person have been invited by us. Now the other person have to just log into the Clubhouse and they'll get the direct access. So that's all. If you like our video, please like and subscribe, plus hit the notification bell for further more videos like this. Thank you for watching.